Welcome to Daracoton Island, a hidden gem nestled in the stunning Palawan province of the Philippines. This small island offers a sanctuary for those seeking tranquility and a connection with nature. Join us as we embark on a journey of exploration and relaxation. The day begins with a rejuvenating session of sunrise yoga. Imagine stretching your body and finding inner peace amidst the serene beauty of the island. It's not just the adults who embrace the practice, but also the village kids who join in with joy and enthusiasm, creating a heartwarming bond between visitors and locals. Discover Darocotan Island's stunning coastline with a leisurely 30-minute stroll, offering ever-changing landscapes and breathtaking views that showcase the island's natural beauty from every angle. But the adventure doesn't stop there. Grab your snorkeling gear and dive into the crystal-clear waters surrounding Darocotan Island. Explore the nearby shipwreck and witness the vibrant marine life that has made it their home. It's an underwater paradise waiting to be discovered. As the day draws to a close, join us for sunset yoga on the sandy shores. Feel the gentle breeze against your skin as you stretch and breathe in sync with the setting sun. Finally, end your day with a magical bonfire at the beach. Gather around with fellow travelers, share stories, and embrace the warmth of the crackling flames. It's a time for laughter, relaxation, and creating lasting memories. Join Isla Experience on Daracoton Island and embark on a transformative journey where the perfect harmony of nature, community, and cherished memories awaits.